Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add volunteer experience on LinkedIn. So first go over here to your profile, click on View Profile. Then click on Add Profile section. Go over to Additional and click this drop down menu. Now up here you can see Add Volunteer Experience. Click on that. Here choose the organization, then choose the role, then choose the cause, so select the cause, and you can also check this box if you are currently volunteering in this role. Choose a start month and end month. Then you can describe your volunteering role, and you can also add some media links. Then press save and your volunteer experience should be added. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.